Hey, this is Pastor Scott Cruz with The Rock, and I'm glad that you are checking us out today. We're talking about evangelism, and we've been doing the walk across the room at church, and today we want to look at John chapter 4, and this is where Jesus comes and meets the woman at the well. And I didn't get to unpack this as much as I might have liked to on Sunday, but Jesus comes, and they're coming up to this city. And they get to this well, and there's a woman at the well, and the disciples decide that they're hungry, and so they go. And so Jesus, he lets them go. And they were his friends, his buddies, and they go, and he leaves his social circle. He leaves his friends and his buddies, and spends time with this woman. Now this story is so beautiful. There's a couple of observations I want to make with you about this interaction that he has with her. Number one, he is so gentle. Now, Jesus wasn't always gentle. If you look at the things that he said, he could be very harsh at times. But if you look at the people that he was harsh with, it was the religious people, not the people that were away from God. But with this Samaritan woman, he engages her in a conversation. And then he brings up spiritual things so gently, so tactfully, so gracefully. He says, you know, if you ask me, I could give you water that you would never thirst again. And she says, oh, that'd be great. I wouldn't have to come to this well anymore. And he engages her, and she becomes a Christian. She comes to faith. And the disciples come back and they say, did you eat? And Jesus said, I had bread. You have no idea. In other words, guys, while you were out eating, I was doing something here that was so much better that I can't even begin to express to you. And can you imagine that city? I mean, this woman comes to Christ and she gets excited about God. She invites her family and friends, and they come and they're with Jesus. Now imagine with me for a minute, 20 years from that, you know, that grandma and grandpa are telling about the day that Jesus came to town. And so you know what? It was all because of Sister Margaret over here, because she was at the well. We don't know her name. And she was at the well, and Jesus talked to her, and she came and she shared with us. We all came together. We heard him speak. Boy, aren't you glad that Jesus left his circle of friends? Now the application is this. We have to be willing to leave our circle. We have to be willing to leave our comfort zone to walk out and engage somebody new. You know, Jesus didn't need another friend. His 12 disciples, they went to town to get something to eat. You know, most of the time we're pretty content to just go have lunch, you know, to stay with our tight group. I want to encourage you to take the time to get outside of your little sphere and look for the person that's sitting alone. Look for the person that is hurting. Look for the person that is in need. Hey, may the Lord richly bless you, and I hope to see you in church on Sunday.